Good evening, students. Welcome to this special class. Alright, so boys and girls, আশা কৰিছোঁ তোমালোক সকলোৱে সুৰক্ষিত আছা। চৰকাৰী নীতি নিৰ্দেশনাসমূহ ফ'ল' কৰি ঘৰৰ ভিতৰতে আছানে নাই? আৰু আশা কৰিছোঁ পঢ়া শুনা কৰি আছা, লগতে বেছি দুষ্টামিও কৰা নাই একো। Hopefully, alright. So পঢ়া শুনা কৰি আছানে নাই বাৰু তোমালোকে? আছা চাগে নিশ্চয়। So boys and girls, these are difficult times, you all are aware, কিন্তু এই সময়ৰ মাজত থাকিও আমি আমাৰ বেছিক কৰ্তব্যখিনি পালন কৰিয়ে থাকিব লাগিব। আমাৰ বেছিক কৰ্তব্য মেইন কামটো কি হয়? পঢ়া শুনা কৰা, হয়নে নহয়? So we have to keep studying hard, isn't it? So keeping that in mind, let's begin our today's session. All right. So as you all know, this is going to be an English class. And what do you have in store for us today? Well, first of all, I can see a balloon ride. Okay? এজন মানুহ বেলুনত গৈ আছে আৰু তাৰ ওচৰে পাজৰে কিছুমান চিম্বলছ আহি আছে। What are all these? Well, এইটো এটা এনেকুৱা বস্তু হয় যিটোৱে গোটেই চেণ্টেন্সটোৰ মিনিং সলনি কৰি দিয়াৰ কেপাচিটি আছে, ইয়াৰ পাৱাৰ আছে। জেনেৰেলি আমি কি হয়, আমি এই বস্তুটোক ইগনোৰ কৰি এইটো সাধাৰণ কথা, এইটো ভুল হ'লেও কথা নাই, চলি যাব। বাট ইয়াক যদি ভালদৰে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা নাযায়, ই গোটেই বাক্যটোৰে গোটেই কাহিনীটোৰে মিনিংটো সলাই দিব পাৰে। কেনেকে পচিবল? চাওঁ আহা। So this is something that we call punctuation. Okay, this is punctuation, and punctuations are so powerful that they can change anything. Yeah, you don't believe me? Let's see. So, how a punctuation mark can change the meaning of a sentence. A punctuation mark can change the meaning of a sentence. এটা বাক্যৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ অৰ্থটোৱে সলনি কৰি দিব পাৰে এটা punctuation mark. কেনেকে? Let's see. Amitabh Bachchan, comma, then within inverted said, comma, within inverted comma, Amir Khan is the greatest actor. Amitabh Bachchan said, comma, within inverted comma, Amir Khan is the greatest actor. Right? So ইয়াৰ অৰ্থটো কেনেকুৱা হয়? Amitabh Bachchan কইলে, then direct narration within inverted comma that Amir Khan is the greatest actor. কোনে কলে? Amitabh Bachchan. All right? And who's the greatest actor? Amir Khan. Okay? Now if we change the punctuation, punctuation to যদি অলপ সলনি কৰি দিও, আৰু যদি আমি এনেকে কওঁ within inverted comma Amitabh Bachchan, comma, said Amir Khan, comma, within inverted comma is the greatest actor. এইবাৰ অৰ্থটো কি হ'ব? Who is the greatest actor? Inverted comma ভিতৰত কি আছে? Amitabh Bachchan is the greatest actor, isn't it? So, who's the greatest actor? Amitabh Bachchan. And who said? Amir Khan. So, চোৱা, একেটা শব্দ আছে, একেটা word আছে, but only change was what? Punctuations খিনি সলনি কৰি দিলো, দিয়াৰ লগে তাৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ অৰ্থটোৱে সলনি হৈ গ'ল। Got it? Well, if this is not enough, I have something else for you. যদি এইখিনিতো তোমালোকে পাংচুৱেশ্যনৰ পাৱাৰটো বুজি পোৱা নাই, তেনেহ'লে তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে আন এটা ষ্টৰী আছে। Let's see. Mother, without her, baby is inactive. Eto kobo pare mother, without her, baby is inactive. Right? But then why punctuation is important? Well, eto karone tumaloke koribo lagibo ki you have to watch my story. Okay, মই যে ষ্টৰিটো কৈ আছিলো, let's see. So what do you have here? Randhira was a very arrogant king. He believed his kingdom was the strongest in all the country. But the reality was that his army had grown weak and lazy over the years. You know, Randhira is an arrogant ৰজা আছিল বহুত। তেখেতে ভাবিছিল যে তেখেতৰ সাম্ৰাজ্যখন গোটেই দেশখনৰ ভিতৰতে সৰ্বশক্তিশালী। Right? But প্ৰকৃত তথ্যটো আছিল যে that was not right. Over the time, his army has got weak and has become lazy. An information came. So one day, the king received a message from his messenger. Veera, the neighboring king, wanted to challenge him in a battle. The king decided to respond to Veera after consulting with the royal astrologer. So কি হল তেওঁ তো ভাবিছিলে যে মই সৰ্বশক্তিশালী একেবাৰে so ওচৰৰ চুবুৰীয়া ৰাজ্যখনে তেওঁক চেলেঞ্জ কৰিলে যদি নিজকে শক্তিশালী বুলি ভাবা come and fight with me so তেওঁৰ মেছেঞ্জাৰে আহি তেওঁক মেছেজটো দিলে so Randhira decided alright মই এইটো উত্তৰ দিয়াৰ আগতে what should I do I should consult my Raj Jyotisi মই মোৰ ৰাজ জ্যোতিষীৰ লগত এবাৰ কথা পাতি চোৱা ভাল হ'ব So, Raj Jyotisi পৰা আহি গ'ল message. চাওঁচোন কি ক'লে. The message was given. Randhira then sent his minister to consult the astrologer whether he should go to war. Randhira মন্ত্ৰীক পঠাই দিলে দি ক'লে যে তুমি কনচাল্ট কৰি আহা যে মই যুদ্ধত যাব লাগে নে নালাগে. So after which the king received this reply on a scroll. Scroll এটাত এটা reply পালে. You will go, you will return, never by war you shall die. You will go, you will return, never shall by war you die. Well, তাৰ অৰ্থটো কি হ'ল আপুনি যাব আপুনি ঘূৰি আহিব যুদ্ধত আপোনাৰ মৃত্যু নহয় ওকে বাক্যটো ভালদৰে চোৱা তাত কিবা কমা আছে নাই আমি কি দেখিছো তাত ইনভাৰ্টেড কমা দেখিছো আৰু ফুল ষ্টপ আছে ৰাইট so you will go you will return never by war shall you die এইটো ৰাজ জ্যোতিষীৰ ভৱিষ্যৎবাণী আছিল এতিয়া চাওঁচোন কি হয় you will go comma you will return never by war shall you die so this is what Randhira thought you will go you will return apuni jabo apuni uguti ahibo যুদ্ধত কোনোদিনও আপোনাৰ মৃত্যু নহয় so thinking that যুদ্ধ লাগিলে the war is on the soldiers are fighting so what our king did our king decided okay let's fight so Swa হাতীত উঠি আমাৰ ৰজা আহি গ'ল যুদ্ধৰ কাৰণে The king went ahead and fought with Veera. Alas, he died in the battle. ৰজাজন আগবাঢ়ি গ'ল কথামতে আগবাঢ়িলে যুদ্ধ কৰিলে but দুৰ্ভাগ্যবশতঃ যুদ্ধত তেখেতৰ মৃত্যু হ'ল alas he died in the battle he fought with Veera alas he died in the battle then his minister is looking at it again the minister was confused and shocked at the death of the king মন্ত্ৰীজন আচৰিত হৈ গ'ল আৰে ৰাজ জ্যোতিষীৰ কথাটো ভুল নহয় এইটো কেনেকৈ হ'ব পাৰে he opened the scroll that he got from the astrologer and read the prediction again and he then understood what the astrologer had actually meant astrologer কি কৈছিল তেওঁ তেতিয়াহে বুজি পালে what did he said you will go you will return never by war shall you die this was the message but in reality it was you will go you will return never by war shall you die so ইয়াত চোৱা কমাটো ইয়াত আছিল নেক্সটত কমাটো ইয়াত আহি গ'ল so হ'ল কি এটা কমা ইফাল হোৱাৰ কাৰণে এজন মানুহ মৰি গ'ল so aren't the powerful punctuational power চোৱা এটা কমা ইফালৰ পৰা সিফাল হোৱাৰ লগে লগে গোটেই অৰ্থটো সলনি হৈ গ'ল and the king died right so he sadly realizes that the comma can kill a man আৰু মন্ত্ৰীয়ে ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰিলে যে বেলেগ নালাগে, even a comma can also kill a man. এটা সাধাৰণ কমা এটাইও মানুহৰ মৃত্যু ঘটাব পাৰে. So that's how powerful these punctuations are, right? So তাৰ অৰ্থ কি? So we have to learn them well and we have to use them perfectly while writing. Okay? So let's learn that first, then perfectly used হৈ থাকিব. কিন্তু সেইখিনি কৰাৰ আগতে আমি ভালদৰে এবাৰ শিকি লওঁ. So commonly used punctuation marks. আমি যি powerful punctuationৰ কথা কৈ আছো, এই punctuationsবোৰতনো কি include হয়? End marks or full stop, period, question marks, exclamation marks, then we have comma, then we have semicolon, we have colon, we have quotation marks, we have apostrophe, we have brackets, and then we have ellipses, right? So other considerations, capitalizations and numberings are also comes under punctuation, punctuations only. What? Capitalization and numberings. Remember when to use capital letters. So capitalization যেহেতু আহি যায়, so capital letters no ক'ত use কৰিব লগা থাকে? When to use capital letters. So if you know, it's fine. If you don't know, please note it down. We will give you certain rules. So first one says when to use capital letters. When you start a new sentence. যেতিয়া এটা নতুন বাক্য আৰম্ভ কৰিবা, you'll be using a capital letter. Example is what? Arun is a good boy. So what's Arun? Arun is the beginning of a sentence, so A is capital. When you use a proper noun. So example would be what? New Delhi is the capital of India. So proper noun means names and all. So New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi and India are proper nouns. After a full stop. Full stop মানে কি? নতুন বাক্য এটা আৰম্ভ হলে. So example, Anu is a girl. She is very happy today. After full stop, the first word is she. So S should be in capital. When writing titles of institutions or organizations, the first letter of each word is a capital letter. So title লিখিলে কি হয়? Guwahati University is one of the best universities in India. So yet ki hoy? Title to Guwahati University. So that is in capital letters, right? Then India is name of a place. So that again is in capital letters, right? So questions we are not answering. So we'll move on to our next part. All right. Remember when to use capital letters. So let's see. It was a beautiful Sunday morning. Mihika was ready to catch a train to Shillong. She was on her way to join Birla Institute for her higher studies. So it is the beginning of a sentence. Sunday, name. Mihika, name. Chirang, name of a place. She, after full stop. Then name of an institution, right? So these are capital letters. Now where can we use end marks? An end mark is a punctuation mark that comes at the end of a sentence. It lets you when to stop. So end mark is full stop. It tells you when to stop. Well, মানুহে আৰম্ভ কৰিবতো চবে জানে, কিন্তু ক'ত শেষ কৰিব লাগে বহুত কমে কয়. So this is one of the rare things that tells you when to stop. ক'ত ৰখিব লাগে end marks এ সদায় সেইটো বস্তুৱে কয়. So let's see. Full stop or period, then another end marks can be what? Interrogations, মানে question mark. Full stop সদায় শেষ হোৱা বুজায়, question mark এ শেষ হোৱা বুজায়. Then exclamation marks is also an end mark, right? So full stop, then interrogation, exclamation, এইবিলাক হ'ল কি end marks. Okay, so they marks the end of a sentence. All right, so where period use? Period comes at the end of the statements and commands. So it's raining today. Periods comes at the end of the statements or commands, right? So we are using that. A question mark means something is been asked. Question mark koroto hol kiba eta kotha sudha hoise. So are you going to lunch? What is that? We are asking a question, right? So we have used a question mark. Then an exclamation mark shows excitement or feeling. Exclamation mark কি করে আমার emotion to দেখায়. So that's such a big surprise. The emotion এটা আহি গল. So we are using what? Exclamation mark, right? So what are the end marks here? You know, period or full stop, question marks, exclamation marks. So period is used for more than just an end mark. Here use aru thake. Kitiaba ki hoy. It is used in abbreviations and initials after titles. Abbreviations to use kora jay title or pishot to jane 1235 MZ road RD road mean kora kone ami that period use korilo abbreviation. Then RK Narayanan R.K. So initials. Then Mrs. Miss Smita, all these are what? Dr. Rajkumar. These are uses of end marks, right? Now moving on to our next part. Comma. Well, period goal and mark goal. It is comma baru kut use hoy. Let's see where can we use the comma. The comma is used to separate a list. Comma কি হয় এখন লিষ্টক সেপারেট করার কারণে comma is used. The comma is used to separate a list. So my favorite vegetables are potato, lady's finger and drumstick. So potato, list of first part, comma, lady's finger, second part and drumstick, right? It is also between date and the year. So it's like December 24, 2001. December 24 to date hoy, 2001 to year hoy. So date and year majoto we can use this comma. Okay. Now moving to our next part. Punctuate the following passage appropriately. আমি এতিয়া punctuation কথা কলো এতিয়া চাও আছোন whether we can use that whatever we have learned till now properly or not. So here is a paragraph. So the paragraph goes like this. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. His mother never thought that he would be famous one day. On the contrary, she thought Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed much too large. It without capitalization, আমি সেন্টেন্সখিনি একো ধৰিব পৰা নাই কোন আৰম্ভ হৈছে কোন কি হৈছে so it can be properly punctuate কেনেকৈ কৰিম. Let's begin. So first thing what we need to do, first thing first, Albert. It's the beginning of a story. On top of that, it's a name also. So can we write this one? No. We'll be using the capital Albert and Einstein. Albert and Einstein capitalization ahi gol. Tar pisot ki hoy? Date aru year mazot what we use? We use comma, right? So see, between 14 March and 1879, what we used? We used the comma here, right? So 14 March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. Now the next one is German. Germany for German we say. So can we use small z here? No. We need capital. German city of Ulm. Then what next we need? Very good. We need a full stop here. So after it would be what? Full stop. Full stop option ki hai gol? We got a spacing. So his mother never thought he would be famous. Etia my next quote ahibo. His mother never thought he would be famous one day. Again, we need a full stop here. So what his mother thought? His mother thought that he would be famous. His mother never thought that he would be famous one day. তো মাকে কোনোদিনও ভাবা নাছিল যে এদিন তেওঁ বিখ্যাত হ'ব। এতিয়া ফুল ষ্টপৰ পিছত আমাক কি লাগে? Very good. After full stop, we need capitalization. So we'll say what? On. It should be what? Capital. On the contrary, then after that we had a comma. She thought Albert was a freak. Okay, so what's next? Albert again. It's A cannot be small, it has to be capital. Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed much too large. So after full stop, we need what? We need a capital, right? So it should be what? To her, his head seemed much too large. Right? So after her, we need to add a comma also. His head seemed much too large. Got it? So this is how we capitalize. Alright then, moving on. Let's see whatever we have learned today. So we learned about commonly used punctuation marks, which were end marks, then what? Period, then question marks, exclamation marks, right? Then we talked about commas and all, right? Okay, so after that, why punctuation is important? Because punctuation can change the meaning of a sentence. So what's important kotha punctuation kyo lage? Because punctuation e goti sentence to meaning trace holone koribo pare. Hope you all have understood. So with that, we'll come to an end of today's session. Thank you all.